How to fix TikTok login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will give you one of the most primary reasons as to why you're not being able to log in on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And now if you're not being able to log into your TikTok account, this could be one of these three reasons. The very first is the application issue. The other is the account issue. And the other is the credentials issue. So we will get to all of these three reasons. So first, let's get started if it's the application issue. If it's the issue with your application, just go ahead and long press on the TikTok app over here, tap on the I button, and then go to the option called storage, and then clear cache and also clear the data. Once you clear cache and data, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, search for TikTok, make sure to update the TikTok app. If you see update button, make sure to update it to the latest version. The other is the account issue, and this account issue cannot be solved by yourself. It depends upon TikTok. So maybe TikTok noticed an unusual behavior from your account, and then you try to actually do some malicious activities. TikTok basically temporarily locked you out of your account. In that case, you can try to use VPN to change the IP address and trick TikTok into thinking that it's not the same person or the same IP address trying to log into that same account, or it's from a different location. So you can try to switch your mobile data or your Wi-Fi network in order to see if that fixes the issue. And the last reason is the credentials issue, and you could be having this problem if your account details are actually incorrect. So if you open up TikTok, you're trying to log into your account, and if your account details are incorrect, the problem could be actually also with your account. So you can try to reset your password, reset your username, your phone number, and everything else just in order to log into your account. So as I said, these three could be the reasons. The first is the application or the server issue, the other is your own account issue, and the third is your credentials issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, give you some insights about the login issues, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.